everyone, this is Rashi and welcome back to the Reading Platter, and I'm here with another book haul, that is audiobook haul, and I'm so excited for this. A few days earlier I have posted a story on my Instagram and I have asked what book haul you want, ebook or audiobook. Like actually I was going to buy books online, so I really wanted to know if you people were interested in ebook haul or audiobook haul, and then I'll buy more of those books. So the votes were for audiobook so much, so I bought 10 audiobooks and now we will be seeing what audiobooks I bought. So let's get started, and I won't be talking about these books much because I actually don't know about these books a lot. I really don't like to know, so let's see about these books. So I recently read one book by Agatha Christie that was a part of Hercule Poirot series, and you can read the book out of order. It is just one main character, but the stories are completely different. So I read Murder on the Orient Express. I loved it. I loved Agatha's writing, so I bought some of Agatha's book as audiobooks. So the first one I bought was Sad Cypress by Agatha Christie. It is also part of Hercule Poirot series, and this is a book about a person who is accused of killing a lady. Maybe she's his love interest, and like everyone believes that he is the murderer because he had the motive, he had the circumstances were against him, and he had all the means to kill her. But Hercule Poirot says that he's not guilty until proven, and he does his best to prove him innocent. And it is interesting, the cover is beautiful, and I'm so excited to listen to this, and yeah, I'm just excited. The next book is Hercule Poirot's Christmas, and this is also by Agatha Christie. It is another Hercule Poirot book, and I'm so excited to read it. I don't know much about the book. I have my Goodreads open right here, but it is not working. I don't know why it is not working. I really don't know. Let me check. But actually, I really don't want to know too what the book is about. Yeah, let's move on to the next one maybe. So the next one is a short story collection by Agatha Christie, and it is Problem at Polensa Bay, and it is a short story collection. It is again mystery, and this is not a part of Hercule Poirot series, and I am excited to read it because short story that are mystery are amazing. Next one is also Hercule Poirot book, and the book is Murder in the Mews by Agatha Christie, and this is also again a murder mystery. This is a collection of 4 short stories, I believe. Yes, this is also a short story collection, but it is a part of Hercule Poirot series, and I'm so excited for this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so I just went on to buy books. The vlog or maybe the video will be linked here, the book haul and everything, so you can check that out. So I there found a book, Divergent by Veronica Roth, but it was extremely expensive, so I didn't buy it. So I thought that of the same price I was getting the audiobook, so I thought that it was easy and handy, so I bought the audiobook for that, Divergent by Veronica Roth. I do not know what the story is about. I actually don't want to know. If you are watching my channel from a long time, you might know that I don't like knowing about my books beforehand. So yeah, I don't want to know what the book is about. I'm actually really excited to read it. The next book that I bought was The Body by Stephen King. It is a mystery, thriller, horror, as you know, Stephen King's writing, and my Goodreads is not working. I would have told you the year of publication and um, the genres and everything, you know, the page count. I don't know, my Goodreads is not working at all, so I'll just talk about the books that I have bought. So these are the 6 books that I have talked about. Let's move on to the 7th one. The next one is Circe by Madeline Miller. I had the ebook for this one, and I have heard good things about this book. So it is a Greek mythology, I guess. So I bought the audiobook for this one because I got it for like very low price. So I bought it, and it was like, yeah, it was a bit expensive, but yeah, it was less than the other audiobooks, but it was a little expensive too. So I figured that I had the audiobook, I mean the ebook for this one, and audiobook would just make it easier to read, so I got it. The next book I bought was by Colleen Hoover. I have loved her writing so much. I bought the audiobook Layla by Colleen Hoover, and I'm so excited to read it. It is a mystery thriller, and I have loved Colleen's writing in the mystery genre, and I'm just so excited to read this book. I don't know what the book is about, but the cover is really interesting and the genres are interesting. The author is interesting, so yeah. The next book that I bought was The House Guest by Mark Edwards, and I haven't read from this author before. This seemed to me as a mystery thriller by the cover, so I bought it. And it was cheap as well, so I bought it, of course. It is a long one, it is 8.5 hours long, but I really want to try new authors and I really want to try more of mystery thrillers. So yeah, so I bought it. The last book that I bought was The Vow by Debbie Howells, and I have heard so many good things about this book, and the cover is really interesting and simple. So I bought this book. It is again mystery thriller and psychologist. Yeah, it is a crime fiction, and I'm really excited to read this book because the cover does not give the crime vibes or the mystery vibes. It is like so soothing, kind of. But I have heard a lot of good things about the book, so I'm really excited. I hope to read these books before December and like in this year. So yeah, these were the audiobooks that I have bought. I hope you enjoyed the audiobook haul, and we'll meet in the next one.